Hi all, welcome to Learn Easy channel. Today's topic is NCERT Class 10 PYQs in Balancing Equations. We have seen the concept of balancing equation in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss about only the PYQs in the balancing equations. Okay, the first equation is Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. First we see for iron, it is 3 in the product side, so write here 3. And for oxygen it is 4, here it is only 1, so we'll write 4 here. If you put 4 here, the hydrogen will become 4 into 2, 8 times. So here it is only 2, so write here 4, 4 2s are 8. Now the above equation is balanced. We will see the next equation. KClO3 gives KClO4 plus KCl. In this case, first we will balance oxygen, since in the reactant side there are 3 oxygen atoms and in the product side it is 4. So when you have an odd number of atoms and even number of atoms, in that case what you have to do, take the LCM of 3 and 4, you will get 12. So you want to get number 12, so multiply here 4. 4 into 3 is 12 and here 3. 3 into 4 times is 12. Now oxygen is balanced. Now check for potassium. Here it is 4, here also 3 plus 1, 4. And for chlorine it is 4 here and here it is 3 plus 1 is 4. So this equation is balanced. Okay, in this case you have to take an LCM because here it is an odd number and here it is an even number. So we are approaching the above equation like that. Okay, now we'll see for the next equation. CO2 plus H2O gives C6H12O6 plus O2. In this case, first we go for carbon. It is 6 here, so we can write 6 here. For hydrogen it is 2 here, here it is 12, so we can write 6 here. So hydrogen is also balanced. Now we go for oxygen. 6 into 2, 12. Here we have 12 and here 6. 12 plus 6 oxygen is here. In this case, there is only 6. 6 and plus 2. So 6 plus 2 oxygen is here. So totally 8 is here. In this case, here it is 18 oxygen atoms are there. So we have to add, instead of 2, we have to add 12 oxygen atoms should come, because 6 is here, 6 is here. Instead of 12, here only 2 is there. So we if you want to change this into 12, you have to multiply by 6. Okay, that's it. Now we have 6 plus 12, 18 oxygen atoms here, and here also 18. The equation is balanced. Okay, now I'll move on to the next one. In this case, aluminium is balanced. Hydrogen is 2 here. There is only 1, so we'll write here 2. But when you see, here it is 2 chlorine atom, here 3 chlorine atoms are there. So what you have to do, multiply this by 2, 3 2s are 6, and multiply this with 6. Okay, and aluminium also we have to balance. So 2 aluminium is balanced, and chlorine is 6, here also 6, and hydrogen is 6 here, so we have to write 3 over here. So 3 into 2, 6. So the above equation is balanced. Next equation is nitrogen plus oxygen gives dinitrogen pentoxide. In exam they will be asking like a statement problem, like nitrogen adds with oxygen to give dinitrogen pentoxide. In that case you have to write the formula. So nitrogen N2 plus oxygen is O2 to give dinitrogen pentoxide, which is N2O5. First we'll see for nitrogen, it is 2 here and here also 2. Oxygen, it is 2 here, it is 5 here. In this case what we have to do, write 5 here, so 5 into 2s are 10, and write 2 here, so it becomes 10 here also. And for nitrogen it is 4, so write 2 here, here also it becomes 4. Now the equation is balanced. Now we'll see for the next equation. MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. In this case, for C, for manganese is balanced. For oxygen it is 2 over here, and here it is only 1 is there, so we'll add 2 here, so that oxygen is balanced. C, for hydrogen it is 4, here it is only 1, so add 4 here. Now check for chlorine. Here it is 4 chlorine atoms, here 2 plus 2, 4 chlorine atoms here. So this equation is balanced. Now we'll move on to the next one. SiCl4 plus H2O gives H4SiO4 plus HCl. In this case, first check for Si, that is silicon, it is balanced. Check for chlorine, it is 4 here, but here it is only 1, so we'll add 4 here. Now check for hydrogen, it is 4 plus 4, 8. But here it is only 2, so you should get 8, so we'll add 4 over here. Now check for chlorine, it is 4, here also it is 4, that is also balanced. Hydrogen is also balanced. Check for oxygen, it is 4, and here also it is 4, so the equation is balanced. Okay, next we'll see for the next equation. SnO2 plus H2 gives Sn plus H2O. Sn tin is balanced. Okay, we'll go for hydrogen. It is 2 here, that is also balanced. Oxygen is 2 here, here we have only 1. So here we have to add 2 over here. So it becomes, oxygen is balanced, but hydrogen we have 4. So add 2 over here. Then hydrogen will become balanced. 2 into 2 is 4. Here also hydrogen is balanced with 4. Okay, the next question is HNO3 plus CaOH twice gives CaNO3 twice plus H2O. For C4 calcium, it is 1 here and here also 1. Okay, we'll go for nitrate group. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So change it into 2. So now the hydrogen will be 2 plus 2, 4 here. So we have to change it into 2 over here. So it becomes 4 here. Now check for everything. Calcium is 1, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is 6, here also 3 into 2 times is 6. Oxygen is 6 plus 2, 8. Here also 6 plus 2, 8. Hydrogen is also balanced with 4 here and here also 2 and 2, 4. Okay, the equation is balanced. Now we'll go for the next one. Na2CO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. In this case, first check for sodium. Here it is 2. So we have to change here to 2. So check for chlorine. Here it is 2, but here it is only 1. So change it into 2. Now check for hydrogen. It is 2 here. Here also 2. Okay, it is balanced. Check for sodium is 2, also 2. Check for carbon. Carbon is 1. Here also 1. Oxygen is 3. Here it is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so this equation is balanced. Okay, we'll go for the next one. Al2SO4 thrice plus CaOH twice gives AlOH thrice plus CaSO4. In this case, a polyatomic group is polyatomic groups are present, SO4 and OH. So you have to see the see it as a whole group. Okay, here 2 aluminium is there. Here only 1. So change it into 2. Aluminium is balanced. Now check for sulfate. Sulfate, here it is 3. Here it is only 1. Change it into 3. Check for calcium. Calcium is 3. Here it is only 1. Change this into 3. Now check for OH. Here it is 2 into 3, 6. Here also 3 into 2, 6. So this equation is balanced. I will go for the next one. CaCl2 plus Na3PO4 gives Ca3PO4 twice plus NaCl. Here phosphate polyatomic group is present. Check for calcium. Here it is 3. So I am changing here 3. And sodium. Here it is 3. Here it is only 1 is there. Okay, we'll check for phosphate first. Phosphate, we have 1 group, here 2 group. So change it into 2. So the phosphate is balanced, but sodium we have 6. So change it into 6 over here. Check for chlorine, 3 into 2, 6. Here also 6. So this equation is balanced. Now we'll go for the next one. Al2CO3 thrice plus H3PO4 gives AlPO4 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, first check for aluminium. It is 2 here. It is only 1. So change it into 2. So aluminium is balanced. Carbonate group is 3 here. But here, okay, there is no carbonate group. So we have to see for carbon and oxygen. So carbon, here it is 3. Here it is only 1. So change it into 3. Check for oxygen. 2 into 4 times is 8. Here 2 oxygen is there. Sorry, 3 into 6 oxygen is there. Here 1. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. But when you see here, 9. 9 plus 4, 13 is there. Okay. So first we'll go for hydrogen. Here it is 2. Change it into 3 so that it becomes 6. Change it into 2. So it becomes 2 into 3, 6. So now hydrogen is balanced. Now we check for oxygen. 2 into 4 times is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Here also 17 oxygen atoms is there. So it is balanced. Okay, all the elements are balanced now. Next equation is FeCl3 plus NH4OH gives FeOH thrice plus NH4Cl. Iron is balanced in this case. Check for hydroxide group. It is 3 in the product side. So I have added 3 here. So then ammonium becomes 3 here. So I have added 3 here. So now everything is balanced now. Chlorine with 3, ammonium with 3, hydroxide is 3, here also 3, and iron is 1. Okay, the above equation is balanced. Now I am going for the next equation. H2SO4 plus Hi gives H2S plus I2 plus H2O. In this case, first check for sulfur because only one atom is here. Here also one is there. Okay, it is balanced. Next check for hydrogen. It is 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2 plus 2 is there. So we need one more. So I'm adding here 4. 4 2s are 8. Why? Because iodine is 2 here. So I need I'll add here as 8. Okay, so it becomes 2 plus 8, 10 hydrogen atom. Here 4 2s are 8, 8 2 plus 2 10, and hydrogen will become 8. So I'll add 4 here. So 4 into 2s are 8, and there is only one sulfur. That is okay, that is balanced. Oxygen 4, here also 4, so that is also balanced. Okay, now I'll go to the next one. NH4 twice Cr2O7 gives Cr2O3 plus N2 plus H2O. Okay, in this case there is nitrogen is 2 here, here also 2, chromium is 2, here also 2, and oxygen is check for hydrogen. Hydrogen is 8, here it is 2. So we need to add 4 here. Now check for oxygen. Oxygen is 7. Here 3 plus 4. Here also 7 oxygen is there. So the above equation is balanced. Now we'll see for the next one. Ca3PO4 twice plus SiO2 gives P4O10 plus CaSiO3. In this case, the phosphate group is split into phosphorus and oxygen in the product side. We have to see for phosphorus and oxygen. First we'll check for calcium. It is 3 here. It is only 1. So I'm changing this into 3 first. Next phosphorus, it is 1, it is 4 here. Sorry, not 1, here 2. Okay, we need 2 more. So I'm adding 2 here. So that now the calcium will become 6. So I need 6 calcium over here. So I'm changing it into 6 here. So now calcium is balanced as well as phosphorus is balanced. Now I'll check for oxygen. It is 8. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 oxygen. So 18 oxygen atoms are there. Okay, here 10 plus 6 3s are 18. So I need 18. Here it is 28. I need 10 more. So I am adding here 6 so that it becomes 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. It becomes 12 plus 16 28. Here also 28. And calcium is 6. Here also 6. And silicon is 6, here also 6. So everything is balanced now. I hope this concept is clear. If you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you and thanks for watching.